starting with number 1. So f of x equals 2x plus 3. X is an element of negative 2, 0, and 4. So what this means is that I have 3 different x values. I have an x value of negative 2, an x value of 0, and an x value of 4. I want to know which set contains the values of f of x. So I've got 2x plus 3, and I've got 3 different x values to plug in. So I'm going to go with negative 2 first. So instead of 2x plus 3, I'm going to have 2 times negative 2 plus 3. Okay, so that was my first x value. I'm also going to have 2 times 0 plus 3, and then 2 times 4 plus 3. If you plug these into the calculator, 2 times negative 2 plus 3 is negative 1. 2 times 0 plus 3 is 3. 2 times 4 plus 3 is 11. So negative 1, 3, and 11. Answer to number 1 is D. Number 2, the cost of placing an ad in the daily newspaper is given by the formula C equals $4 plus 30 cents times W, where W is the number of words in the ad. What is the cost of an ad that contains 24 words? Okay, so we've got 24 words. That means that this 24 equals W. Okay, so I've got C equals $4 plus 30 cents times W. Now I know that 24 is W, so I will have 4 plus 30 cents. Instead of W, I'm going to put 24. Okay, so 4 plus 0.30 times 24 equals 11.20. Answer to number 2 is C. Number 3, f of negative 5. This is your x. F of x equals, we've got negative x squared minus 3x plus 8. Okay, so this is the important part. We have 2 x's that we're replacing with a negative 5. Okay, so I'm going to have negative x. So x is negative 5. So I've got negative x squared minus 3x plus 8. If I plug all of this in, that will give me negative 2. Okay, so I think what most people probably forgot is this is negative x squared, and x is also negative. So you've got to have negative your negative 5. Okay, so number 3 is A. Number 4, f of negative 2. Okay, here's our x. Same deal, we have to plug it into all of this, right? In this case, we've got a fraction, so it's 2 times x. Our x value is negative 2, so 2 times negative 2 on the top. On the bottom, we've got 4 minus x, which is negative 2, so 4 minus negative 2. Okay, if you plug this into your calculator, so you've got 2 times negative 2 on the top, 4 minus negative 2 on the bottom, that will give you negative 2/3. Number 4 was B. 5, super easy. What is the range? Range is y. So we're looking at our y values. Negative 3, 0, 5, negative 3, 0, 5. Okay, so we've got negative 3, 0, 5, negative 3, 0, 5. If numbers repeat themselves, notice we have negative 3 and negative 3. We have 2 zeros. We have 2 5s. There is no need to write them more than once. Only write the number once. Okay? So these are our range values, so the answer is D. 6, the range. So we're looking on our y-axis, right? So range is y. We go from the bottom to the top. Bottommost value is here at negative 2. the top value's up here at a positive 2. Okay. If it is a filled-in dot, it's less than or equal to. So range is y. So our range goes from -2 up to 2. So my answer is B. 7, we want to know what is the domain of the graph. So what is x? Looking at our x-axis, you guys should know we go from left to right. So my leftmost value is over here at -5. My rightmost value is over here at +5. Domain is talking about x. Okay, again, filled in dot is going to be less than or equal to or greater than or equal to if it's open. That's when you get just the less than or greater than. So my domain goes from -5 to +5. Answer's A. Number 8, state the domain. Again, domain is x. Okay, so we're going from left to right. So left to right for domain. Leftmost value is -4. Rightmost value is +4. Less than or equal to. We've got filled in dots. So -4 is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 4. So domain goes from -4 to 4. C. What is a reasonable range for the relation? So for this one, I didn't give you the points, so you had to get them on your own. A is at -4, 3. B is at 0, 0. C is at 2, -4. D is at 5, 7. Looking for the range, so our y values. So I've got one down here, -4, 0, 3, 7. So my range values, I've got -4, 0, 3, and 7. So D. 10. Which one is a function? X cannot repeat. Okay, so if we look in here, notice we've got -2, -1. Repeats itself. It's a no-go. For B, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that looks okay. C, we have 2 zeros. X cannot repeat. That's not okay. D, 2 -2s. X cannot repeat. So my answer is B. Okay. I asked you guys for number 11 to change this 4 to a 3. So now for number 11, X cannot repeat. So let's go through these answer choices. We've got 4, 2, 1, and 3. That looks okay. They're all different. 2, 0, 3, 2 2s. No can do. For C, 6, 2, got 2 6s. Nope. For D, 0, 1, 2, oh, here we go again. 2 1s. X cannot repeat, so that's not okay. A. 12. Which graph is a relation? Which one is a function? Vertical line test. Okay? Remember, it can only cross once. It crosses once, twice in A. No. For C, here's my vertical line. 1, 2 times. Nope. For B, crosses only once. That looks okay. For D, vertical line crosses twice, so that's no. The only one that crosses the vertical line test is B.